We came to this village to console that family and to show our solidarity. The Congress Party will always stand with that family and we will take care of that family. It is a cold-blooded, brutal murder. It is an inhuman activity. After murder, these two of gentlemen, they are cut into pieces of their bodies. So that much cruel way these people have done it, and 12 accused have been arrested and 2 of them are left out and they are scot-free and they are moving around. In the state of Odisha has become a Gundaraj state. In this district itself, there is a double murder took place in Mahanga. 5-time Sarpanch and a ex-Taluk chairman. He has been murdered. He was murdered by the. Even people are telling that local minister, that law minister himself is involved in that murder. There are so much of evidences. The real culprit, the accused, Prafulla Biswal, he called the son of the former Taluk Panchayat chairman and he has to convey to him that my conscience is not permitting. I am the accused. I did it and with the direction of the local minister, law minister, and I am going to reveal everything to the police. I disclose their link of this murder of the thing with the local minister Ramesh Jana. So I am going to convey Pratap Jana, going to convey it to the police department. Within hours, Prafulla Biswal was also murdered. It took place in Tangi. See, in a hurry-burry, they have manipulated the story as if it has an accident. In the Tangi, being it as an... No, I'll tell you very clear. The Tangi, there it is the transport yard of our Pratap Jana. So there only that accident also took place like that. So all these things, even the court has raised doubts. So the court has asked the police department to reinvestigate. So that much, so many incidents. Now our sister Mamda Mayor in Koraput, in Kalaindi, the minister, Home Minister himself was involved. When she was missed, the police, when the parents approached the police department has told the parents that Mamda is safer. She is in Raipur. There is no way to go to Raipur for Mamda. There is no need of Mamda to go to the Raipur. So the parents have raised a doubt also. Now parents has come out and told she has not voluntarily gone to that. So that means she was abducted, kidnapped by or forced by some people. And that is also that Home Minister himself was involved in that. Like that in Pari case, many people have raised the doubt on the local minister. Like that in the state of Odisha, there are hundreds of murders took place. And all the criminals were shielded by the Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik itself. He never opened his mouth. He is not bothered about the victim's family. He is not able to understand the pain and tears of the deceased families. So the Congress party always has raised the issues. Here our Devasys Patnaik ji fought with the police department. Finally 12 accused have been arrested, but in many cases